This video I'll show you how to upload videos automatically on YouTube. It could be YouTube videos, long videos, short form videos, or any type. It will be a very fast process doing it with workflow, so you don't have to do anything. All this process will be done automatically. But before starting, a disclaimer, this is for educational purpose only. I don't encourage you to try this directly with your YouTube channel because this might promote video spamming and you should read the YouTube guidelines first. Let's get started with that. As you can see in here, we have make.com, which is a platform that is used to create automation workflows. We have about 4 modules that will do all the automation. And we have a Google Sheet, Google Drive, and YouTube. So I took a screenshot and I'll explain you how this works. So here we have this workflow or these 4 modules. And the first thing that we do here is Google Sheets. From Google Sheets, we have a Google Sheet in our Google Drive that will contain all the data of the videos. So it will contain title, description, and video file or anything. So you can put many data from here. You can prepare all your data in this Google Sheet, and all video data will be here, like title, description, or we can have tags and also video file. Okay, so all of these information will be stored in a Google Sheet in our Drive. And the next thing is to get all of these datas here, all of this information, and we have to upload them on YouTube. But first, the files, we cannot save a file in Google Sheets, so that's why we have to use Google Drive. And in the Google Drive here, in our personal Google Drive, we'll create a folder called Shorts, for example. And this folder will contain all the YouTube videos that we are going to upload. So it could be video1.mp4 and the other ones. So just like that, we have all the videos on the Google Drive and also the information in a Google Sheet. Note here on this module, we search for the exact file that we want to upload on YouTube because it could be many files with different names, and we are going to search for exactly the perfect one. And in the next node, we download this file because the format is not like an MP4, so this module here will return just a data file. And in the final module here, YouTube, we are going to collect all this information from Google Sheet and upload it here. So all these datas will be collected here, and also this download file or this download data of the video will be put here, and this will take about 5 seconds to upload. Okay, so this is how all the process works. Really simple. We are going to do it really fast using make.com, a really good automation platform. It's absolutely free. So first go to the link in the description and go to make.com, and you have to register here and go to scenarios. So here in scenario, we'll create a new scenario, click on create new scenario, and here is the starting point. But first we have to prepare all the data, all the shorts that we'll put in a Google Drive. I'll go to my Google Drive. This is my personal Google Drive account. What you can do, you create a new folder and rename it videos. And inside the videos, what we're going to have, we're going to have a Google Sheet. So new Google Sheet, and this will be data, video data. And here I'm going to put some data that we are going to use for the videos. I will paste them really quick because I don't want to take a lot of time. It just will show you the structure of this Google Sheet. Okay, here I pasted some data, and it's really simple, just a header with title, description, and video file. You can also do tags or whatever you want, but here just the title of the video and description, and here is the file, the MP4, that I'm going to show you how to put the video file here. So to put the video file, go to the drive that we created, and here we have the Google Sheet, and now upload all of your videos here, all of your short videos, long-term videos, or any video that you have. I'm going to upload some as example, so I'm just dragging them. Okay, so it's just about 3 of them, and you can upload many videos you want. It doesn't matter. It will work for 100 videos if you have. So then what you need to do to copy this video file is just to right click and go to share and copy link, then go to your Google Sheet and just paste it here. So for example, if I don't have this file here, what I can do is just paste the link, and if you press tab, it will change the thumbnail to turn it in a file chip. So this is how you can do it. This is how you can put all of your data here. And now what you need to do is to go to make.com and make all of this automation. Let's go to make and let's start with that. So first we have to read the Google Sheet. So here you will search for a module called Google Sheet, and here we have it, and we will watching for a new row. So every time we put a new row in the Google Sheet, we will take it, the data, and run the automation. So then you have to create the connection with your Google account. I have already created one, but what you can do is just click add and sign in with Google account and choose your Google account and give the right permission, and it will work for you really good. Pick the search method, search by path. Then you have to pick the search method, search by path, and here is a drive. Choose my drive where you have created this Google Drive. So my drive. And here the spreadsheet ID. So click to choose and will automatically show all the videos all of the folders that you have. So here is my drive videos. I will add another one. So I have video data. Here is the Google Sheet that I have, video data. And the sheet name is the sheet 1 that I had. And the table contains header. Yes, my Google Sheet contained a header, so I'll leave it yes. And the limit, you can leave it to 2, is not a problem. So if you press OK, you can choose specific point to start, but I'm not doing that. Now I can right click and I can run this module 1 only, so to see if it works. And it actually worked, because you can see that we got these two here. We got the datas, like the data directly from the Google Sheet. Okay, now what we need to do is to search for the Google Drive file. The next is to create a new module for Google Drive. So just search for Drive, Google Drive, and here you have to click on search files and folders. Please make the connection again, add your account and go through the Google authentication. And then what you need to do is to choose select method. So select from the list. My Drive is click the folder that you want to choose to get your files. So for me, I have them on shorts. In the shorts folder, I have all the videos I want to upload. I want to retrieve the files and search. So I want to search with file names and folders. So I will search from the file name. And in the query, what you need to do is to put the video file name. So we have it here in the first module. We collect this variable from the first module here, Google Sheets. So just click here and this will show you all the data that we get from the first module here, the Google Sheet. And what we need is just video file. So just grab this video file and put it here. And we'll search for this exact video file and search exact term, or you can search name containing the search term. And if you press OK, then we need to add another Google Drive module. And this time we're going to download this video. So just choose download and pick your account and enter file ID. And the file ID will getting it from the module of Google Drive. And here is file ID. I will just put it here, file ID. Okay. And then the final thing is to upload them on YouTube. Here is the YouTube module and upload a video. Make sure to create the connection with the YouTube too by clicking add, and we'll go through the Google authentication, choose your YouTube channel, and then you can continue to put the title. And the title, we will get it from the first Google Sheet. As we can see, we have in a Google Sheet, we have title, just click on that. And in the file, we have to pick Google Drive download file. Make sure to choose this one. Video category, you can choose your category. I'll leave entertainment for now. And privacy status, you can put it on public or in private. So I'll put it on, I will put it on public for now. And description, I will get it again from Google Sheet, description. And video is for kids, or if you want, you can add tags too by going to show advanced, add the tags that you want, or you can get them directly from your Google Sheet. But I'm not doing it right now. I'm just showing for informational purpose here. And I will press OK. I think everything is good now. And okay, so now I'll show you that I have a YouTube channel. I use it for testing. And here, as you can see, we have just these two videos. And if I go to shorts, because these are shorts, we don't have any shorts here. And I'm going to use this workflow that we have created to directly upload the short video that I have on my Google Drive. And now let's start that. So I will click run once for now. because I'm not scheduling this, but I'll just run once to show you. And okay, so we have a problem. Value must not be empty. I just remove advanced options. Okay, so we'll run again. So first it will check on Google Drive. It will get this file, and then it will download it and upload it on YouTube. As you can see now, it is still running. Okay, so 2 videos are uploaded now, should be uploaded. So let's go to YouTube Studio and check if they are actually being uploaded or not. So I'm going to refresh YouTube Studio, and here we have the first one. It is public, and the second one is still uploading here, as you can see. So if I go to Shorts, and here we go, we have both of them, the first one and the second one. So here we have the first one. It is uploaded, as you can see. I didn't do anything. I just right now we have the other one too. And if I try to open, here is a video, and the other one too. Here we have the other one. Okay, guys, as you can see, it is all automatic process. It is for free without doing anything. Just prepare all of your videos, put them in your Google Drive, then prepare all of your data for for your videos. You can generate them with AI or anything you want, and then use this automation workflow to directly upload them onto your YouTube without needing you to go through all of this process by all the time and losing and doing. And so you can spend your time doing something else more important than just going through YouTube Studio and uploading them manually. So this was the video for today. Hopefully you like it. Please subscribe to the channel for more automation videos because they are coming up very soon. So see you in the next one. Peace.